slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at this pair of Amiri jeans from Every Designer or DesignerGu, however you know them. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel and you do like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, show some love, turn on notifications, follow my Instagram, and like the video. The Instagram link is in the description at RV Stuff TV. I don't condone buying any of these products. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, just showing y'all what I get. So with all that being said, guys, let's get into it, man. These took about 2 weeks to get here, give or take. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it all. This is a website right here. So this is the updated information for the website. So the website is kicksite.com or designergunews.ru. Instagram is at everydesigner_Yolanda, and the WhatsApp right there is Yolanda's WhatsApp as well, I believe. So make sure to contact those. As for discount codes, I didn't write them down on this, but if there's any discount codes, they will be in the description and they should still be valid. If not, just let me know and I'll get in contact with them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get into it, man. Pretty simple jeans. These just came in a regular bag. It didn't say Amiri on it. It was just a regular clear bag. These are, I'll get into like the fit and stuff like that. These are one of the Amiris though, just so I can go over the fit right now, that are not as skinny at the bottom. So I'm probably gonna get go to a tailor, get these fitted and tapered up and skinny at the bottom. But yeah, they fit well. Otherwise, around the waist, they're a little bit big because I got 38. I'm usually like a 36-ish, so they're a little bit big, but they're not like huge on me by any means either. So keep that in mind. That's how the fit is. They look good otherwise. So here's the tags that they come with. Just these regular old Amiri tags. MikeAmiri.com, Amiri. Got the little leather tag as well that says Amiri. So that's the tags it comes with. Then just to go over the other tags on the jeans themselves. You got this one at the waistline. It says Amiri, size 38. A little leather. And then it should have a few other tags here. So I haven't had a pair of Amiri jeans from Every Designer for a long time. I've been reviewing YesKicks ones. Typically you're spending more here, but the quality that you're getting is better. So I mean, it's not tremendously better in my opinion. A lot of people say that the ones from YesKicks look like H&M jeans or something. I don't really see that, honestly. I feel both in hand, but in my opinion, you can definitely tell the quality, even though the denim is better from here. So it's up to you guys whether you want to spend a little bit extra money if you do end up purchasing stuff like this. Even though I said I don't condone it, you guys do what you want though. But if you do end up purchasing stuff like this, I would definitely think about it, and if you want to put that little extra money forward, you can pay a little bit more and get a better quality pair of jeans. So keep that in mind. As for zipper, here's the zipper real quick. So it just says Amiri there. Pretty simple, regular old button. That's not a zipper, I don't know why I said that. But yeah, here's the zipper itself. I think this is the Riri one. Oh no, it's YKK, I believe. So it's a YKK zipper. Zips up just fine. I put them on earlier, tried them on just to see how they fit. They did look a little bit baggy in the pictures as well, so they might just be meant to be like that. I just don't really like my jeans baggy like that. So, but besides that, nice pair of jeans. As you can see, there's some touches of paint. So you got white paint, a little bit of pink paint as well, or like red, pinkish, and then in between you got like rips here, where you got a bunch of Swarovski looking crystals there. They look white a little bit in the camera, but the lighter ones that look white in the camera are actually pink, and then the other ones are like a darker pink. So bunch of rips down the legs. This one has a little bit of a rip here. It's not fully ripped, but there is a little bit of bedazzling underneath there as well. It's just harder to see. There's no skin showing rips on these jeans as far as I can see, so yeah. Same with this side. This is a nice little rip right here, and then some more towards the bottom, and that's pretty much it. But you can see, even just with my hand there, very big-ish on the bottom, kind of like similar to, like, I don't really wear big jeans, but like they remind me of like boot cut jeans or something at the bottom, honestly. So I'm gonna have to go get a few inches off there and make them nice and tapered, so they got that scrunched look on top of a pair of shoes. But depending, you can even wear them like as a baggy jean. That is a look these days as well. So yeah, that's the front of the jeans though. Alright, sorry about that guys, my phone ran out of storage. So but yeah, this is the back of the jeans. Pretty simple. You got this little Amiri tag right here in leather, nice stitching on there. Got the 2 pockets, a little bit of paint splatter on the left, a little bit of paint splatter on the right. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's no like gems or anything on the back. It's just this paint going all the way down. Well, a couple paint splatters and that's it basically. This one goes a little bit further down to like where the knee bends. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple pair of jeans. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comment section down below. Like I said, if you're new to the channel and you fuck with me, make sure show some love. If you don't fuck with me, I hope you got off the video already and you don't throw some dumbass comment in the comment section. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Hopefully y'all enjoy your day. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Peace.